Using Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Amazon. After that, click to open its site. Once you get into its site, scroll down till the very end of the page and click on the Become an Affiliate option from the footer. It will take you to Amazon Associate. You can go into your account from here by tapping on your email address. After that, scroll down the page and click on See All from the section of These products are selling fast. Then you can see all the selling products in the new tab. Tap on any random product, then click on Text to get the link to it. Then copy the generated link from here. And now, tap on the product image and click to open a new tab. After that, tap to save the image in your PC. Once you save the image, get back to your product. Tap on its other image and click to open it in a different tab and save it as well. Then open Pinterest.com in the new tab. And go into your account from the top right corner. Now tap on the plus icon from here and then click to create pin. To create a pin, you need to upload the photo's title and description and add a destination link for your pin. Now to get a destination link, get back to the Amazon tab. Tap on the text of your product and then copy the link from here. Then paste it back in your pin destination and click to save your pin. Now, you can see it in Created Options if you tap on it. You can see the destination link on the top of your created pin page. Click on Amazon to link. It takes you exactly on the same product of Amazon you added the picture of.